వస్తూ ఉంటాయి. ఇండియాలో కొంచెం అరుదు, బట్ ఓపెన్ అప్ అవుతుంది. 2-3 ఇయర్స్ బ్యాక్ చార్లీ 777 వచ్చింది, చాలా బాగా ఆడింది. అండ్ సో ప్రెస్ మిత్రులు అందరూ వచ్చినందుకు చాలా చాలా ధన్యవాదం. సో నాకు మీకు తెలుసు, నేను ఆల్రెడీ 2 ఫిల్మ్స్ తీశాను, గూఢచారి మేజర్. సో నేను ఎప్పుడు ఈ రీతిలో ఇంతలాగా ఏ మూవీని ప్రమోట్ చేయడానికి నేను బయటికి రాలే. నా సినిమాలు చేసుకుంటానికి వచ్చాను, బట్ బయట ఏ సినిమాకి నేను ఇంతలా రాలేదు. చాలా ప్యాసివ్గా అక్కడక్కడ వచ్చా. అండ్ ఈ సినిమాకి నాకు చూసే ముందు వరకు ఏ సంబంధం లేదు, బట్ చూసాక ఇది నా సినిమా అయిపోయింది. సో ఏదో చెయ్యాలి అని మొదలుపెట్టి చేసింది కాదు, అలా బై డిఫాల్ట్ అలాగా బయటకు వచ్చాను, చేస్తున్నాను. యాజ్ మచ్ యాజ్ ఐ కెన్ నేను పుష్ చేస్తున్నాను. అండ్ అమిత్ సార్ని రిక్వెస్ట్ చేశాను, బాంబే నుంచి మీరు రండి ఒకసారి అని. ఆయన తప్పకుండా వస్తానని అన్నారు. అండ్ ఎందుకంటే ఇది ఏదో డాగ్ లవర్, యానిమల్ లవర్ ఇది కాదు, ఇట్స్ ఎ వెరీ వెల్ మేడ్ ఫిలిం. చాలా బాగా రాసుకున్నారు, చాలా బాగా తీశారు. ఇట్స్ ఎ నైస్ థ్రిల్లర్, ఇట్స్ ఎ వెరీ ఫ్యామిలీ ఎంటర్టైనర్. అందుకని నేను ఇది ప్రైమరీలీ ఇది ఏదో సినిమా లవర్స్కి ప్రైమరీలీ వచ్చి చూసి అరే భలే సినిమారా అని అనిపించేలాగా వెరీ కమర్షియల్ ఫిలిం అని నేను కంప్లీట్గా ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ప్రమోట్ చేస్తాను, ఇప్పుడు అదే చెప్తున్నాను. అండ్ ఎక్కువ ఆలస్యం చేయకుండా ఐ విల్ కాల్ Mr. Rajesh Kumar and Amit sir onto the stage, and also Dolly Shah.
నమస్కారం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ అందరూ మీడియా వాళ్ళకి ఇక్కడ వచ్చినందుకు చాలా చాలా ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ మూవీ చూసిన తర్వాత నాకు ఒక మెసేజ్ వాట్ ఐ వాంట్ టు షేర్ టు పబ్లిక్ ఇస్, we normally say that animals are voiceless, animals cannot speak, and we are the voice of animals, right? So I would like to reverse it after watching the film, and I would like to say that human beings don't have the capacity and capability to understand the language of animals. They are not voiceless. They do have voice. We don't possess the capacity to understand what they are saying, what they are trying to tell. And through this film, I have learned a strong message. I'm also an animal lover. నేను కూడా vegan diet. I'm in a vegan diet from so many years. So what I would like to say is to all the human beings out there, we are in more need of understanding animals because they have senses which we don't possess. They don't need language. They don't need words to talk. They can talk through senses. They can talk through touch and through reading the energies, which they can do, we cannot. So rather than saying that we need to help animals, of course, we have brains, we need to help animals, but there is another certain thing that we need to learn from animals, how to be compassionate, how to love unconditionally, and how to help even those whom we don't even know who are in need, whether it's animals or it's human beings. So I think, are need of learning how to understand animals and how to protect them, how to love them, how to unconditionally understand them through the senses. And for that, I guess everybody should learn animal communication. I'm learning. So that's about it. Thank you so very much.
Thank you for inviting us, because Hyderabad has been my dream. My wife, actually, she was a television actress and she started her career in Hyderabad. So this is very close to us. But getting this opportunity to work in a film like Oh My Dog, this is, such a beautiful film where thankfully no human were harmed while making the movie. No, because this film is for them. So because the dogs are the hero, someone has to be villain. So that is why so yeah, so that's why that hate thing is coming out. But otherwise, it's a very sincere request for all the generation that please go and watch and make this movie a big success, because certain films come in like decades, and this is the subject which is very close to our director Amit Rai. Definitely he'll speak about it, but his vision was so clear that even the dog understood what exactly he needed in the scene. So if you watch the film, there are moments where you will realize that this is supposed to happen this way only. The crescendo was built in such a way that dog actually expressed itself in such a beautiful way that the whole story came out alive. So this is the film to look forward to and watch, and thank you so much to all the media houses to be present.
Namaskaram, Dhanyavadam. That's a two word I learned from her. So, it's a very strange story that I've been in Hyderabad for so many times. I've been meeting people right from Rana Daggubati, Venki sir, Dilraju sir, then Pawan Kalyan sir, Ram Charan sir, but nothing materialized. And I always used to say that कि यार मैं कभी भी हैदराबाद जाता हूँ मेरा कोई काम ही नहीं होता यार. मतलब मैं इतनी बार कोई फिल्म लेके जाता हूँ, something I don't know why it never happened, that almost 2 or 3 films was about to get mounted and never get materialized. But last night they told me that कि उन्होंने इस बार आपको बुलाया. हर बार मैं कोशिश करके आता था, इस बार मुझे कहा कि नहीं, उन्होंने इस बार आपको बुलाया, वो फिल्म फिर दिखा रहे हैं वहाँ पर और इस संस्था ने उसको अरेंज किया. तो आई वॉज सो थ्रिल्ड. This time I thought that this is the right time. I was waiting for this time to be here in Hyderabad, and now I'm here at the same place where I came to meet Venki sir, and I came along with Rana sir. So the moment I step in, I thought that कि यार मैं यहाँ पहले आया हूँ एक बार, तो this is the same building. Now, why this film? I don't know. Frankly speaking and honestly speaking, मुझे पता ही नहीं था कि ये दुनिया बाहर इतनी बड़ी है. And there is a whole lot of feeders, rescuers, dog companions. This is the word which I have invented right now. I have given that title in the film as well. कि ये लोग कौन है? So one thing which I came to know during this whole journey and the whole process of making and releasing the film, that we don't do anything. There is somebody else who has just written the screenplay and we are just enacting our roles. Dogs are the integral part of this film. Actually, I haven't written this film. They have made me to write this film. 4 years back when Oscar came into my life and I started taking myself as a proud owner of that Oscar. I was looking after him. I was taking him for a ride and I was taking him for a shopping and उसको नहलाना, उसके लिए खाना लाना. So suddenly there was this ego which emerged that I am the human who is looking after him. I am raising him. And after a month I realized this is the other way around. He is raising me. He is looking after me. So that's the thing which must have inspired me or my pen or my brain to write something about myself and the dog, that to what extent he will go to prove his loyalty and to what extent I have to go to prove my loyalty and love towards him. This is the film which I have already dedicated to my guru and the people those who have taught me. But I think that this is one thing which has to be taken from this film is the empathy which dogs teaches you. जो आपको वो सिखाता है, जो करुणा आपको वो देता है, जो कंपैशन आपको वो सिखाता है, जो प्यार और लॉयल्टी आपको सिखाता है, वो आपको कोई नहीं सिखा सकता. वो आपके साथ रह के आपको सिखाता है. अगर आप किसी भी कारण से फिल्म देखना चाहें तो यही एक कारण जिसकी वजह से आपको ये फिल्म देखनी चाहिए और अपने बच्चों को दिखानी चाहिए कि बिकॉज दैट इज़ द एसेंस ऑफ योर फैमिली. कि वही आपके परिवार को ज़िंदा रखेगा, फिर परिवार आपके आसपास के समाज को ज़िंदा रखेगा, समाज आपके स्टेट को ज़िंदा रखेगा, स्टेट आपकी कंट्री को और कंट्री आपके देश को और फिर देश सारे दुनिया को. ये एक छोटा इट्स जस्ट अ सीड विच डॉग वो आपके मन में बोता है. ही लिटरली वो आपके मन में रखता है वो, एंड देन इट इज़ गोइंग टू टेक अ शेप ऑफ अ ह्यूज banyan tree or something like that. So that shade, if you want to get that shade and you want to be into that shade, you will have to understand that language जो बगैर बोले बोल रहे हैं. So it's my earnest request and urge through you and through the medium that please spread the word that those who have the dog, they are watching the film, they are already in love with the film, but those who don't have a dog, they must watch this film.